Hey everybody! Connor the Contractor here. I got a notification from the lab that they've successfully uploaded their SED file to FUDSChem, along with the lab report PDF. I'm going to go approve that lab report PDF and notify our validator that the data is ready for him. I'll go to Tools, Library File Submission. I'll find the lab report on the Pending Approval tab and click on the title to open it up and make sure this is the right file. It matches the title, and when I click on the notepad icon to look at the metadata, this is all looking good too. I'll choose to notify Vincent the validator, and then click Save and Approve. Good morning, everyone. I'm Vincent the validator for the Camp Richards project. I just got an automated notification that Connor approved the lab's report in the FUDSChem library. That means the lab has uploaded their data and it's ready for my review. I rewatched the validation video tutorial to make sure I remembered where all the tools can be found. I want to pull a couple of things up first so I can reference them. First, I'll go to the library. I'll choose the Camp Richards project and choose Laboratory Reports. The lab report should be here since Connor approved it. I can open it by clicking the title. I'll also open up the UFP QAP in case I need to check the project criteria. That'll be under Library, Camp Richards, Planning Documents. Again, I should be able to just click the title to open the PDF in my browser. I also want to be able to see the data from the lab, which should be available in some reports. Looking at the menu, the section under Reports, Data Validation and Submission Reports has a bunch of options, but I'll start with the Validator Detail Report. I'll fill out the drop-downs and click View Report. I'm going to use the built-in tools to do my validation, so I've got two more things to open up. Tools Data Review Checklist is going to be my validation checklist. First, I'll select my project, event, review status, and SDG on the left. Then, I can fill out the SDG details. At a minimum, I need to select my Data Review QC level and click Save before I can choose my test method. That will open the checklist questions that I'll answer as part of my review. For SDGs with multiple methods, I will need to fill out a checklist for each method. Then, Tools Data Sample Qualification will be where I can adjust qualifiers as needed. First, I'll select my SDG, test method, and preparation method. I can use the other filters as needed. Then, I can make changes in bulk using the Apply Qualifiers buttons at the top, or edit manually by clicking Edit All. That should be everything I need for now. Time to validate this data. Alright, overall things went pretty well with validation. Here in the sample qualification tool, I've finished updating my qualifiers. So the final step is to click Finalize. Done. Over in my review checklist, I've filled out the questions for all my methods. So the final step here is to generate my validation report that summarizes all of my work. That's under Reports, Data Validation and Submission Reports, Data Validation Report. I'll fill out these drop-downs. This contract does not require a secondary review, so I'll leave second signature on report set to false. But I will change the display trace values table option to true. I'll click View Report. Alright, everything I did is reflected in this report. So I'll go ahead and save it as a PDF and upload it to the library. I'll go to Tools, Library File Submission. I'll upload the file. Next, I'll click the notepad icon to update the metadata. I'll make sure to choose Connor the contractor as the reviewer, since he's my client. He'll want to do a review himself before passing along to the core chemist for review and approval. I'll click Save and Certify. Alright, my work here is done, but I'll keep an eye out in case they request any updates to either the validation report or the qualifiers. For those of you watching, thank you for being here with us. We go over many topics from this video in greater depth in our tutorial videos, linked in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. If you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.